So this is where we come from. Rosebud Creek. He's a Cheyenne, I'm a Crow. Yeah, but we all get along. This is America. And so the cavalry was over in Fort Benton, and they were going over to the Bitterroot. And when it took them about 7 days or so, and by the time they got to where Missoula is, the cavalry men, they missed a prostitute in Fort Benton by the name of Ula. That's why they call it Missoula. You'd never heard of that one? Okay, well, maybe more. Well, you don't know what granola is, I guess. All right, Tex North. Longing for the cattle drive, Texas North. Hot coffee before the dawn. To brush the cow pony's back. Texture of life in leggings of leather. Fabric of our soul in the saddle. Gazing off onto the prairie. I'm still one that follows the herd. Life in the dusty sun behind cattle. Mooing and bellowing and whooping and hollering on down the trail. Spurs are a jingling. Coffee from the snowmelt. Ribs against the fire. Life is still free as you make it. My pony is a grazing in mountain twilight. Wolves have returned to their mountain. Reflections of life is how you see it. Cowboy life now has many facets, but still the metalwork says foolish things. Of truths in reality he tweets, and love is the same as it was like before. The joy of adorning a cowboy hat for the first time. Boots from identity we choose. Boots for identity we choose. My life is no trinket, relic, or souvenir. Smell of coffee and horse manure in wind. We ride on through change so severe.